Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to February 25th, 2026
26.
on the Family Life Skills Calendar. Today's activity is DIY Love Coupons, a creative and heartfelt way to show love and appreciation for your family. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather materials and set up a craft station with colored paper, scissors, markers, and stickers. Step 2. Design your coupons, where each family member creates personalized coupons with acts of kindness, like good for one movie night or redeem for breakfast in bed. Add special touches with drawings, glitter, or heartfelt messages. Step 3. Share your handmade creations with family members, explaining the thoughtful gesture behind each one. Step 4. Keep the coupons in personalized boxes or envelopes and encourage everyone to redeem them throughout the month. Step 5. Take time to discuss how these small acts of love and kindness made each person feel, strengthening your family bond. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Creativity, designing unique, thoughtful coupons. Gratitude and love, expressing appreciation for one another. DIY love. Coupons are a beautiful way to foster love, creativity, and meaningful connections. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.